Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video. It is the beginning of a new month and the time to take a look at some new apps that you must have on your device. And we're starting things off with WallWon, a wallpaper app where you can get some really cool wallpapers for your device, like these ones right here. But the really cool thing is that you can also create your own wallpapers. It has an AI section where you can just enter any prompt you want and have the app create a wallpaper for you. So you enter your idea right here, you choose the format of the picture, and you can just go ahead and tap here to generate, and then it will actually start making the wallpaper for you. Now just wait here for a few seconds, and once this is finished, it will show you the result, and of course from here you will be able to actually save the wallpaper that you have created and then apply it to your device. So it will take around 20 to 25 seconds to actually create your wallpaper with, of course, the prompt that you have entered. And the cool thing is that it actually will show you 4 different versions for that wallpaper. And you can actually choose here whichever one you want to use, and of course tap here to download it to your iPhone. Next up is an app called Time and Date. Now this is a keyboard app which you will have to enable by going to Settings, General, and then go here under Keyboard, go to your keyboards, add a new keyboard, and there it is, time, date, and time. It basically allows you to easily enter your time and dates anywhere you need, maybe on an email or on a message. Whenever you need to enter a time or a date, you just tap here to go to that keyboard. You can just like that enter the current date, or maybe just like that on that format, or just the time, the current time, and then you will have here all like the different words that you might use, like let's say around 1326, as easy as that. So you will have like a few like presets right here that you can use and make it very easy for you to actually type anything you want. Now going into this app, you will have here the ability to actually customize these, so you can just go ahead and just customize whatever you will show here. So you can see the text on the keyboard will be this, it will be replaced by this, but you can of course here enter any text you want to replace by the key on that keyboard. Next up is Bird Search. Now this app allows you to search Twitter, but you can search it very specifically. So you can just search for anything you want. You can even save those searches, so of course you can make them even later on your app, on your library here. So you will have your quick search, you can just tap on it, but you will need to actually sign in with Twitter to actually be able to save those. So if we want to search something here, of course we can go ahead and just go through the top tweets or popular tweets right here, but of course we can also just initiate a new search, and you can see right here, so you can just search for anything you want. It's basically an advanced search, so you can just include words here, you can remove words, you can choose the language, you can choose like the number of likes or retweets you want that tweet to have, and then of course you can choose the categories here and just make the search from here. So let's just search for something. So we can also choose here the hashtags we want that tweet to have. And once you're done with all the specifications you need about that search, you tap the search button and it will search that on Twitter. So as easy as that, you can search specifically any tweet you need. And if you decide to log in in the app here, you can also save those searches under your library. CaptionAI is an AI app that allows you to create captions for your pictures. Anytime you want to post a picture somewhere, you don't know what caption to add, all you have to do is just choose your image, load it here, and it will do the work for you. So if I just load a photo here, you will see now I can go ahead and have that caption created for me. So I can choose here like funny or nature or people, whatever I want to do there. Let's just keep it at funny. Tap on generate caption, it will generate the caption for me. It actually will generate different captions for different social media. So you can see right here we have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and we have everything set here, the caption, the tags as well. We can just go ahead and copy this and then of course paste it on our post. Bast is the next app for the video. Now this will show you details regarding your battery and the battery health of your device. So the way it works, first of all, you will need to go to your settings, go under privacy and security here, and then head down here to actually analytics and improvements, go to analytics data and go here where it says analytics and the date, go to the one before the last one, and then tap on the share button and make sure to save this to your files. Now once you have done this, then go into the app and tap the import button and import the file you just saved. Once you have done that, it will actually show you all the details regarding your battery. So the current battery health, the cycle count, how many times your device has been charged from 0 to 100%, then the current capacity, the design, the maximum capacity right here, which is basically the capacity that the battery had when it was new, and this is the maximum capacity to which this battery can be charged. Linky is the next app for the video. I can tap the shortcut on the lock screen from this app, just draw a circle here, and it will open apple.com. Or I can just swipe up like this, and it will open for me the calendar app. This is really cool. Now what you can do with this app is launch apps, launch shortcuts, maybe launch any URL you want. The way it works, you tap right there, and you can choose an app you want to open here. So in this case, let's say I want to choose like Discord right here. I can choose one of the gestures that I have, or just create a new gesture. So if I just create this gesture right here, tap there, you will need to add it a few times, so it of course displays the right way when you try to make it work. So here we're done now. So we have created this gesture, which we can now actually use to just launch that app. Now the best way to work with this is of course by using the lock screen widget, so you don't have to open the app, you can just do that from your lock screen. Now you can see right there the gesture is ready. We don't have anything to work here anymore, we just launch it from the lock screen, make the gesture, and it goes straight into the app. iDevice Monitor is the next app for the video. First of all, let's take a look at the widgets from this app. It has some really beautiful widgets for your home screen. You can see right here everything you need to know regarding your device, the RAM memory, the CPU usage, the storage, and the battery as well. And we have ones of course dedicated to each of these. So we have for the RAM memory here a smaller one, a medium one, then we have the smaller one here for all of these. So it has like 10 or even more widgets for your device. Going into the app, you will see details regarding your device. From the device's general info right there, you can see the last time you have rebooted, the uptime, then you will have the CPU usage, and of course all the different details. You have the RAM memory here, the storage, and everything else. Tapping into the RAM memory here, you can see we can use this button to actually free up the memory of the device. So that's really cool. So it will help your device of course clear some stuff from the RAM memory. If you have any apps that are stuck, not launching or not working properly, you can try this and it will probably work and help you out. So you will have again storage, battery, you can see the details regarding your battery, how much time you have left for video playback, audio playback, and all that stuff, and of course the capacity of your battery. Quiche Browser is the next app for the video. Now you might find this familiar because it looks exactly like Safari on iOS, but the cool thing is that if you go to the settings of this app, you can actually customize the browser any way you like. Like you can see this right here. If I just scroll here, I can tap and hold here on the address bar. It will just take me right to the top right there. How cool is that? Well, you can set that up by going to settings here, and you will have a ton of different options to customize the browser any way you like. So from the themes to the layout to display to the gestures that I just showed you guys. So single tap, you can choose what you want to do with a single tap, open a menu, or just do the search, or right here scroll to the top with a long press. So you will have a lot of things here. The context menu, you can see you can add anything you want there, remove anything you want. So it's basically Safari, but it's customizable. Linkeeper is the next app for the video. Now this is a simple free app that allows you to save your links and organize them on a way that you can easily find any link you need at any time. So you just open the app, and once you tap right here, new bookmark, it basically lets you just paste any link you have copied on your clipboard. You can choose a folder here that you have set up, or create a new folder where you can add that link. And when you go to your folders here or to your links, you will see a preview of each link, and it actually looks quite good. You will have your folders here. So you can see we have sports. We can just add like this one, for example, under sports, or any other folder we created. And of course, once you tap on one of these, it will redirect you to Safari and open that link. And last but not least is Screen Recorder. Now this app allows you to record the screen of your device. Of course, a thing that you can also do with the stock iOS feature, but what's really cool is that after you have done that, it allows us to add like a picture-in-picture of your face or something else. If you want to do a voiceover or something like that, you can just go ahead and just like load a screen recording that you have made from here. Once you have loaded your screen recording, now you can go ahead and also add here like a picture-in-picture of your face or whatever you want to add there. So if you want to make a voiceover, you can just go ahead and tap recording here and just start recording with your face and your voice on it. And of course, basically the screen recording that you have done in the background. This is pretty cool, and of course very useful if you're doing something like gaming. Maybe you have videos of gaming that you want to add to your YouTube channel or something like that. You can just go ahead and actually add your voiceover with your face using this app. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more. If you want to download any of the apps, you will find all of them linked right down below in the pinned comment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.